Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS 15M1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS 15M1 dies within minutes of being off the charger, you are not alone. This frustrating issue often stems from a failing battery, which can result in complete power loss if left unaddressed. Ignoring this problem can lead to further complications, including potential damage to your laptop's internal components. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a new replacement battery compatible with the MSI MS 15M1, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage during the process. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by removing the screws from the bottom panel of the laptop using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the bottom panel off, you will be able to see the battery. It is usually located near the rear side of the laptop. Look for any visible signs of wear or swelling, which can indicate a failing battery. To remove the battery, carefully disconnect the cable connecting it to the motherboard. Make sure to pull the connector straight out without tugging on the wires. After that, remove any screws securing the battery in place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. When inserting the new battery, align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. As you reassemble the laptop, remember to replace the bottom panel, pushing it down firmly until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the panel, ensuring everything is tight but not over-tightened. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check your battery health and avoid letting your laptop run down to zero frequently. Additionally, keep your laptop updated with the latest software, as updates can improve power management. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.